Doctor Doom is a profoundly complex and formidable supervillain in the Marvel Comics universe. He first appeared in Fantastic Four #5 in 1962 by Stan Lee and Jack Kirby. Doom is driven by a belief in his own intellectual superiority and an unyielding desire for absolute control. He views himself as the only one truly capable of guiding humanity toward a better future, believing that his rule is the only path to a global utopia. Doom's motivations are also deeply personal. The defining event in his life was a catastrophic lab explosion at Empire State University, an accident he blames on his former classmate, Reed Richards. This incident left Doom with a severely disfigured face, a physical wound that became a profound psychological one. He wears his iconic metal mask to hide his perceived imperfection. This intense rivalry with Richards fuels a relentless desire for vengeance, which is a central theme in many of their encounters. In his first appearance, Dr. Doom's plan was to acquire invincibility by retrieving a set of powerful mystical artifacts known as the Merlin Stones. He saw this as a necessary step to solidify his position as the world's supreme ruler. Doom's scheme was a masterful blend of advanced technology and mystical pursuits, a hallmark of his character. He used a time machine to send the Fantastic Four back to the 17th century to retrieve the Merlin Stones from the legendary pirate Blackbeard. To ensure their compliance, he took Sue Storm hostage, demonstrating his ruthless and manipulative nature by targeting the team's emotional bonds. Ultimately, Doom's plan was thwarted by the ingenuity of his rival. Reed Richards, anticipating Doom's treachery, emptied the treasure chest of the Merlin Stones before returning to the present, leaving Doom with only worthless chains. At the same time, Sue Storm used her invisibility to disable Doom's controls, saving her teammates. Despite the scheme's failure, it was a pivotal moment in comics history. It established nearly every iconic element of Dr. Doom's character. His use of a high-tech time machine to acquire magical artifacts solidified that Doom valued science and magic. His use of psychological manipulation, intricate planning, and the introduction of the Doombot, a robotic double that allowed him to escape capture and maintain his mystique, was strategically brilliant. The debut solidified the personal and intellectual conflict between Doom and Richards, which became one of the most enduring rivalries in all of comics. Even in defeat, Doom's confidence remained intact. His failure only fueled his ambition and cemented his status as a persistent and formidable threat. This first story laid the groundwork for Doom's longevity, transforming him into a complex antagonist with a unique mastery of both technology and magic. He has since become one of the most significant and compelling characters in the Marvel Universe. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.